My name is Shelley, and I am a Janome educator. What I love most about being a Janome educator is seeing people's projects come alive by learning how to use the machine to the best of its ability. The Sewing Revolution event with Kim is amazing. She is a wealth of knowledge and has been doing this for many years. Learning her story, her background, and where she's come from, and why she does what she does, it's amazing. Kim is the Sewing Revolution. I highly recommend you come to Montavilla Sewing, Lake Oswego location on November 13th. Kim will be there for a free meet and greet. You can actually sit and talk to her. She tells you about her story and where she's come from and what led her to making Sewing Revolution rulers and making this her life. She didn't always come from the sewing background, and she has a great story how sewing actually saved her life, and it's wonderful. So I'd love to see you at the meet and greet on November 13th, and please sign up for one of the events on November 14th or 15th. I'd love to see you there. Go to the website, montavillasewing.com, and sign up for this event.